Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
Aloha, hey, good evening, everybody. A beautiful shot of our sunsets, and we're going to start to see those blue skies popping through again. Our heavy rains are back down to a low threat as that cold front continues to diminish, while our ocean conditions still have some larger wave heights for the north and west-facing shores, so we keep that at a moderate. Now, looking at what we've seen for the past 24 hours, lots of rain, especially for the west end of the state. Now, again, Kauai didn't get much rain in that first pass-through, which we were expecting early yesterday morning. But as we've seen earlier this morning, because that cold front had moved past and reversed, Mount Waialeale, Wainiha, Hanalei area, capturing most of that moisture throughout the rest of the state. Here on Oahu, mainly over the Ko'olau area, Kahana side, getting some flooding, especially yesterday afternoon when that cold front was situated above us. Then it made its way over to Maui. Now, Maui County, Kalaupapa, over nearly 2.5 inches of rain, and on Maui, Pu'ukukui, along with West Wailuaiki. Now, this was pretty much as far as the cold front went. From this point, it again reversed back to Oahu, back to Kauai. So Hawaii Island didn't get much rainfall associated with this cold front. We still seen over an inch of rain down in Pahoa area, Mountain View, which we also know as Mauna Hu'ihu'i. But a lot of that rainfall was being captured in the rain and being brought up from deeper down south. You can see a bunch of moisture lingering around all of the islands. Now, what we can expect in the future with the return of our trade winds, we're going to start to see, again, drier conditions. We will see some moisture and rainfall over the Windward and Mauka sections. Now, that winds is being fueled from this high pressure system, which bringing all of that in. We have another cold front behind this. Now, the good thing is, though, we don't look like we're going to be getting much rainfall from this, but behind this cold front is another high pressure system, and that's what's expected to keep this trade winds blowing. But by the time we get to next weekend, we may see our next round of sprinkles due to that cold front. Now, looking at our surf, our He'enalu, North Shore 6 to 10, West 6 to 3, higher conditions, and we're in a current swell that's continuing to diminish, so those numbers will continue to go down. South Shores, we do start our next few days of box jellyfish, so be aware of that before you jump into the water. Looking into tomorrow, which is the 30th of Kekemapa, partly cloudy skies while we still do have some lingering moisture. But again, by tomorrow night, those trade winds will be more on a consistent pattern, blowing out whatever remaining moisture out to the west, leaving New Year's Eve and New Year's Day perfect, beautiful conditions to start 2019 into the first week of our new year. Kathy, back to you.